Hey guys, today we'll be munching on some cheeseburger pockets. What are they, you ask? Well, let's go through the recipe. We'll start with 2/3 cup of lukewarm water, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon yeast, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon of oil, olive if you have. Give her a stir, then add 2 cups of flour. Mix until roughly combined. You may or may not need extra flour depending on the weather, so have some extra on hand. Turn that rough dough out onto your clean work surface. Put in some elbow grease and knead until you have a smooth dough. Flatten it out and spread on the 3 tablespoons of room temperature butter. Roll that baby back up. Now continue to knead until the butter is fully incorporated. Now it's gonna look like a hot mess once the butter squishes out, but keep on kneading until your dough is smooth again. Transfer the dough to a lightly oiled bowl, cover, and let rise for about 2 hours or until doubled in size. In the meantime, we can work on our patties. Start with 250 gram minced beef, 1 tablespoon mustard, half tablespoon soy sauce, 1 egg white, 1 tablespoon of breadcrumbs, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. Now mix and mix and mix. Divide them into 16 balls and flatten them into patties about 2 inches wide in diameter. Pan fry the patties for about 1 minute and 30 seconds each side, medium heat, flipping once. Let them cool completely before the next step. Check out that rise on that dough. Push out the air and flatten to a rough rectangle. Roll it up and cut in half until you have 16 pieces. Shape each piece into a ball and keep them covered to prevent them from drying out. Have your workstation ready and take a ball. Place the smooth side down and flatten to about 4 inches wide, keeping the edges thinner than the center. First, we start with the cheese, and then about 3/4 teaspoon of finely diced pickles and onion, a small dollop of barbecue sauce, and ketchup, another slice of cheese, the cool patty, and another slice of cheese. You know what they say, pretty please with cheese on top. Pinch the 4 sides together and continue pinching to seal the package completely. To turn this ugly duckling into a swan pocket, spread and stiffen your fingers to make like a cage. Apply just enough pressure to roll the dough in small circles, keeping the underside of the dough on the bottom. Transfer to your baking pan, cover, and let rise for about 30 minutes. Do you remember that egg yolk you have left from the beef patties? Make an egg wash using the yolk with half tablespoon water, milk, or cream. Brush it on and sprinkle on some sesame seeds right before baking. Bake these at 220 degrees for 10 minutes, and then lower the temperature to 200 degrees and bake for another 5 minutes or until golden brown. Et voilà! You have your pocket of cheeseburger.
Whoa. Oh. That was so good.